Hi guys, I hope you're doing well from wherever you're watching. My name is Mercy and welcome back to Njeri Wakamau's channel. Today Njeri is not here with us, but she will be joining us somewhere along the way, so I'll be standing in for her. And we are in Ruiru at Bamboo Villas, just 700 meters from the Thika Superhighway, just before Kamakis. Okay, let me come down and show you guys around. Welcome guys, so this is our friend Kailia. You'll be seeing him off and on with us, so he's gonna show us around. So how are you?
Hi. So as she said, my name is Kaya and we're going to look at this amazing house, which is a 4-bedroom mansionette. Yeah? One room is actually ensuite. It's ensuite, which is just one of the rooms, which is the master. As you can see, it has an open kitchen. It's very spacious. This is our main living room area, whereby it's big enough for a dining area and a living room space. As you can tell, the finishing is amazing, from the tiles, from the space, from the painting. Which I'm painting, you get it, you can change the painting as you wish, depending on how you like it. You can use wallpaper if you want, but this is how it is at the start. If you look, it has amazing American windows, which are very secure. As you can see, there's grills and everything. Yeah, this is pretty much it for the living room. Soon we'll look at the bedrooms, see about the kitchen, see the stairs, and see all our amenities as we go. So as I told you, there's an amazing backyard for this 4-bedroom mansionette.
Okay.
Whereby you can do a lot of things, from parties, if you have birthdays, if you have anything that you wish to do, you can do it here.
Okay.
As you can tell, the grass is well kept. There's even a tree if you want to chill out or do something.
That's
great. One of the
great.
best things is the security. As you can see, there's an electric fence apart from the perimeter wall, so there's a bit of privacy as you go on. And again, the fact that you can still see the house, if you open the doors completely, you have what you call open living. You can see inside, you can see outside, you can have multiple people here.
And the space is really beautiful, it's cool. Yeah.
Especially what I love about the place is the windows. The windows are so big and they're so crisp and clear. And as you go through, you can see all through the house, the side. And there's something else I love about it. It's the perimeter. It's the fact that it's very secure. As you go in, you'll see more and more in the bedroom, see what they have.
Okay.
Yes, let's go in and see.
All right. So as you can see, this is the kitchen. We have the wood finishing, it's amazing, and then you have a space where you can put your cooker, and also a space where you can also do your fridge, and you have a very spacious space for you to work on. And also you have these spaces where you can store your utensils and also foodstuffs and everything that you wish to put in your kitchen. So yeah.
And I love the fact that it's very spacious. You can have more than one person here. So someone can be preparing something, someone can be doing the dishes, and the amount of space in this kitchen is amazing. The amount of cabinets with this amazing wood finishing, which is amazing. The cabinet is brown dark oak. It's amazing. And the counter, whereby if you have guests in the living room, you can put all your servings, let's call them servings, and yes, amazing. Again, open plan kitchen, something that has been done a lot lately. You're no longer doing the closed kitchens. Many times you want to show a few things in the kitchen, and you can be able to interact with the people in the living room as you go on. So again, as I told you, this is a 4-bedroom mansionette. So one of the bedrooms is actually in the ground floor, whereby it's the guest room, which is mostly for the guests. So you have friends over, you have anyone over. This is where they tend to spend the night or do something else. Again, a lot of parts they've done amazing windows, but even if it's a guest room, a lot of parts they have space for them to actually store the things. It's not a one-night off. Some come and stay for a while. And yes, so this is the first bedroom, which is in the ground floor, which has the bathroom next, which is the common area bathroom for everyone, which is you can check. Yes, it's quite spacious. It's under the stairs. It's under the stairs, and it's quite amazing. Yes.
Alright guys, we have 3 bedrooms upstairs, but we're gonna show you after this. So remember to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's go.
Again, as you remember, we said it's a 4-bedroom mansionette, but it has a total of 4 bedrooms. So as you finished going through the guest room, which is on the ground floor, now you're on the the second story. Whereby 3 of the bedrooms are here, which includes the master and suite. So let's go through it. The same design, the same look, the same finishing from the cabinets, from the space, from the windows, floor finishing, lighting, everything. It's almost similar to the bedroom, but this one is a bit bigger in a way.
Yeah, okay, and how about the lights? Can I change this lights if I...
Sure, you can do as much as you want, from LED lights to basic lights, whatever you wish, chandelier if you wish, whatever you wish, you can do it. Even painting, the paint up if you want to change it. Want to do wallpapers. Again, remember it's a selling house. So if you buy it, it's actually yours.
Okay, that's great. That's
and again, space, a lot of space, a lot of space. So straight adjacent to this main room is the other bedroom. Whereby I'm thinking if you have children, could be one of the rooms for the children. Again, same design, same finish, amazing space in terms of wardrobes, amazing windows. Now this one has more light. When you look at it, and you can see actually the outside. And that's pretty much it. Very beautiful. Again, it's a girl, it's a boy, you can change color, you can do whatever you wish in the room, whereby it will suit you and make it actually yours. And something to not talk about is the door. It spans everywhere in the house. Amazing pattern, amazing finish, the color, the golden, amazing. If you look at them, I think it feels like a very safe and secure place to live. So this is the bathroom that is shared between the 2 rooms. It's an amazing bathroom, it's spacious again, amazing. They have done a lot in space, from the sink, to the toilet, to the showers. And something you notice, the showers actually are for solar power. So no need for, I don't know what it's called, heaters. You just get hot shower anytime you wish, any given time, straight from the solar power tank. And after that, now we go to the main room, which is the master suite. This is for the kings and queens when it comes to room. And the first thing you get in, the first thing you see is the first access to the balcony, whereby it's the first door in all the rooms. This is the only room that has access to the balcony. So if you want to go and chill out, this is actually the ideal place. Again, windows, amazing big windows. I love this finishing of the wood on the wall. It's really amazing. That tells you can actually have a seat or do something with it. And yes, amazing flags everywhere. That is something you need to know. There's a lot of flags in this room. In every side is a flag, so that you can do whatever you wish. You can put an office if you wish. Whatever you wish to do in this room, you can.
Okay. Well, I love this room.
You do.
Yeah.
And then something else that is actually beginning to be a ritual. Something happens about it, the fact of having what you call walk-in closets.
Yeah.
So it has like a walk-in closet where you go to the actual bathroom, but before that you go to the closet. So whereby you have his and hers, same color, same finish, amazing space. Yeah, kuna kupigania sijui kiasi yangu iko wapi. You have yours and everyone has their own space.
Okay.
And through the walk-in, that's when you go to the bathroom. So the bathroom is amazing, and so this is where it falls. Everything is in here. So we have a it's called walk-in shower with a glass finish, transparent, very nice. Again, the water is heated through the solar power, so every single time there's always hot water. And then you have a tub that falls in the lines of looking like even it can be a jacuzzi, but it's not. So it's a very spacious tub, amazing, very beautiful, clean, amazing finish, top of the line, everything. And again, you have the sink and the mirror, and yeah, that works too. Yeah, you can do it. The shades, you can do whatever you wish. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So how did you feel about the tour of the inside of the house?
I love the house. Honestly, I love the space, especially the living room. And if there is one space that I really loved is the mansionette. I think that is the one bedroom that is so spacious, and I loved it. I also love the balcony, the place where at least if you have a party and you want your visitors to come, you have a place to
interact with the outdoors.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So there's a few things we've not talked about the bamboo villas.
Yeah.
This is about the amenities where we are located. It's in Ruiru.
Yeah.
And one of the things we have in the schools, we have like the universities. We talk about Kenyatta University.
Yeah.
We talk about ZTech and a few others. In terms of recreation, we have a mall which is on the other side. It's called Star which is very reachable. If you feel like you want to go to the mall, from watch a movie, that is it. And one of the main things that people love is tamakis. Yeah. If it's a Saturday, if it's a Sunday, you used to eat kanyama. Yeah, there's a place just walk. It's even almost walking distance. Yeah. So that is something that is amazing about Bamboo Village. So something else we haven't touched about is the park. We've not seen the parking space, or whereby if you have visitors, if you have anyone, where they can park their cars, if you have 2 cars, or however you can park them. So we have a large parking area whereby you can park at least 2 cars, if I'm not wrong. And if you have extra guests and you have parties, there's a line whereby it's allowed for you to park a few other cars, so that there is no inconvenience. Another thing about the place is there are not so many houses or mansionettes in the place. It's just a few, so it creates that connected, nice, intimate kind of space. Apart from all those things, is the fact that again the security is top notch. They have even CCTV cameras. As you look, I cannot show you, but they are. There's the amazing big gate over there, and you can see the hallway where you can park your cars if you have a few. And yes, that's just about it. Again,
and also this place, I think if you have kids and they like to cycle here, I think they can. They're free to do that.
Yeah, they're free to do that.
Okay, that's great.
It's amazing. You can see even the maintenance of the place is very clean. There is something allowed from the wall, from the designs. Everything is well kept. Yes, I hope you love this one. I hope you look forward to seeing another one. You're planning for a few. And hopefully by then Jerry will be back.
Right guys, we have come to the end of today's video, and remember to share, subscribe to this channel and also like and comment to this video. And until next time, bye.